So last time I promised to explain everything in the principled Bsdf. What is the principled shader? Go to shader, select your object and press new. The first thing that appears in your face is the principled Bsdf. This is the surface of the material. We don't bother about this now. Let's explain the principled Bsdf. I want to transfer this material to this plane as well. I can drag it from here. Select the object that have the material, then drag the material from here to the other objects. Now I can control the two objects from the same material, like this. And these two here, these two is telling me that they are two objects sharing the same material. This material is sharing between these two objects. So what is the principled Bsdf? It's look like it's more complicated than any shader, any other shader. The old days we used to use this shader here, Shift A shader, emission, glossy like this. It's cute, it's small, it's have less sliders and sockets, but believe me, when you get used to this principled shader, it's so far more simple than the others. Because I promised that in more than 70% of your materials you don't use more than 4 sockets. 4 sockets, 4 sliders from this. Base color, metallic, roughness, and normal. Base color, metallic, roughness, and normal. In 70% of the materials you don't have to use more than these. So let's explain them. Base color is the base color. You can change the color from here. Blue or pink or red or yellow or green or any color you want. Or you can put an image here, image texture here, and the image, it will be the color of the surface. I can drag any image and put it here, and it will be the surface of the material. It displays this image. Now metallic, it decides whether the object is metal or non-metal. Personally, I never ever use in between value like this. No, either metal or non-metal. In the metallic specifically, either non-metallic, dielectric, or metallic all the way. Now for the roughness. The roughness is the roughness of the surface, either super rough or super shiny. It doesn't appear here because this object is too bright. Let's make it a little bit darker like this in the color here. Now it reflects the environment. Either shiny, there is no roughness, or a rough, super rough, but there is no shininess or no reflection at all. And for this roughness, I use every value in between. I use this, every value I use it. And the last one is the normal. Normal, we don't bother for this right now because it needs an image texture to connect in these sockets here. But now in this video we don't go through the image textures and connecting all the value in image texture using image texture. So let's make a non-material, a dielectric, a little bit shiny green material. Let's make it green like this, and let's make it non-metallic, zero metal. Let's make it have some shininess like this. And we have a non-metallic, a green, little bit of shininess or less rough material. Using these three, we can make more than 70% of the materials. We still need something control the bumpiness of the surface, but not in this video. We'll go into this topic in next video. Let's make a gold like a little bit shiny material. Let's make it have the same color of the gold, for example this, I think, and let's make it metallic because the gold is metal, and we have the gold like material. And we can make it shinier or less rough by using this slider, or more rough. We can make it whatever we want. Let's instead use an image texture to control the color and make a wooden surface. So I have here a wooden texture. Grab it to here and connect it to the color. It's look weird because it's metallic and wood is not metallic. Let's put the metallic in the 0, and now we have a wooden material. We can make it more rough or less rough like this. We still need to control the bumpiness of this wood, because these kind of woods have some bumpiness from the normal here, but it's not for this video. Next video, I'll show you how to control all of these values, metallic or the roughness or the bumpiness or the normal here, using image textures. Image texture like this, and connecting them in these sockets here, in the roughness, in the metallic, and in the normal, to make a more realistic surface. That's it for this video, and until next time.